Hello everyone, welcome to Kalpas Kasana, and in this video we are going to make vada pav recipe. In a pan, add about 2 spoons oil, 1 spoon mustard seeds, 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon chili paste, half spoon turmeric. After few seconds, mix them well. Add boiled and mashed potato. Mix it on a simmer flame for 2 minutes. Now squeeze about half lemon. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now take a bowl, add 1.5 cup besan, salt as per taste, half spoon ajwain, now add water. Make sure that there are no lumps. The batter should not be too thick or too thin, and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take the stuffing and make balls out of it. Now once you are done, heat oil for deep fry. Dip the stuffing in the batter and drop it in the oil. Repeat the same. Occasionally turn them. Take them out when they are brown in color. Now take the buns for pav and apply pudina chutney. And place the vada on top. The yummy vada pav recipe is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.